holidays, safe New Year's. Y'all please be safe out there. If y'all ride something for me. Trying to plan a trip to Red Oak ATV Park. So if y'all know about it, let me know. I'm trying to get out there,